Hi friends, we are with a new product today. We have ordered Microtech 1700 EB-V3 model inverter. This is a 24 volt 2 battery inverter and we will do an unboxing and see the product. So let's go and unpack it. So we have ordered this from Flipkart. It was again an offer deal. The price of the product was 5700 with a 10% discount, and being a plus member I got additional discount of 10% via Flipkart coins. So the packaging is good. It had a bubble paper over it. We removed it because it was very dirty. So we removed the bubble paper. It's packed very nicely in the box. So we're opening it. I think I should remove it outside the box. So I just removed the box to make it clearly visible. You can see it says it is an ISO 9015 certified. It is UPS EB1700 24 volt, which means you need two batteries to make this inverter work. It says even charges at 90 volt also, which is very surprising because it means it has a huge range. Even if you have a dim voltage of 90 volt, it will still work, which is really nice. You won't see this in normal inverters. It is a 1700 watt, which means you can easily run big appliances on this. Generally for 6 tube lights or 6 LED bulbs, 1 TV, 1 fan, 1 computer, you need around 1100 VA, but we have ordered 1700. Please note there are two models available in this series. One is SEB, the other is UPS SEZ. The difference between both the model is this is square wave and the other model is sine wave. If you want to understand what is the difference between square wave and sine wave, please see the description. I have given a link of a website which will explain you the difference. Usually a square wave is not that good. It will give some fluctuation in voltage. So sine wave is the best model, but for our home purpose this is also good. Let's see the other side of the box. It says manufactured by. It is manufactured in Himachal Pradesh. Quantity 1, obviously. It is manufactured in August 2020. MRP is 10,190, but as I said, I got it net 4,800 approximately. It has a service center, WhatsApp number, email ID, and my personal experience with Microtech is amazing. I have already 2 inverters. I bought this for my bigger house where we have more appliances. In my current house we are using small inverter which is 1100 and it is perfectly working fine. It gives us backup of almost 7 hours. Now if we use this inverter with 2 batteries, it will easily give you minimum 12 hours backup. Of course, using consciously. You can't keep everything on and expect to give 12 hours support. Now it has some features. Again, for a user it won't make difference, but just to read quickly, it works on low voltage. As I said, 90 volt also it will work. It has a circuit breaker. It means there is a short circuit, there is an issue, voltage fluctuation, it will break the circuit so that your inverter will not get damaged. Plus, if you by mistake put plus terminal and negative terminal incorrectly with the inverter, it will still stop to work. It has auto set. I really don't know what does it mean. 2 years warranty is something which I would be interested. And Microtech, you don't even need to worry about its warranty. We'll again change the side to see what is on the other side. Same repetition. And is there anything here? So it is same on both the sides. Okay, let's open the inverter. So now I've opened the box. I just opened the seal in front of you. It comes with very nice packing with 2 thermocol and the inverter. I don't know if you have noticed, if you see compared to my hand, this inverter is very big. So you definitely need a big space to keep it. Usually twice the size of our normal inverter. So let's give a try and open it. My always suggestion is put it upside down and then remove. Yeah, we have removed the inverter out of the box. I'll slowly remove the thermocols. Now you must be thinking why I ordered square wave. Actually, I did order a super sine wave, but the product was not available and I was in urgent need of it. So I went ahead and ordered this because getting an inverter for 4,800 is an amazing deal and I really don't wanted to lose it. So we have a user manual in this. To be very frank, you don't need user manual. You can yourself install it. But if you can't, just call a local electrician and they will install it for you. It comes with a warranty card. You just need to make sure that because you have bought online, you need to make sure that you will not get a stamp here. You need to make sure you have saved your invoice, which you will get generally from Flipkart or Amazon. Keep it saved with you and that's it. You don't need anything else. It comes with a absorbent. Again, let's keep this aside. Very sleek design. If you see, this is a start button. We will just look behind. This is the plug. This plug will go inside your power point. There are two cables. This will be connected to your battery. Now, very, very important. You will get an additional cable here. The only reason behind this additional cable, because this will operate on two batteries. Please do not use this on one battery because this needs 24 volt to work with, and it will not work if you put only one battery. If you see, it clearly says 24 volt DC. DC is direct current. All the batteries operate on direct current. Now what you need to do while installing, this will go to your main power plug. Usually when you have an inverter fitting already at home, you will have a plug which will have live wire. This will go there. You connect red to the red terminal of the battery. The negative terminal of the battery where you connect red power, you will connect this, and this will connect to the positive terminal of the second battery, and negative will go to the second battery. I will quickly explain it via diagram also to you, but I'm just explaining you this orally to you. And that's it, your inverter is ready to use. I'm not installing it now because I need to purchase batteries and I will check it later. So as explained to you on the inverter, now we will explain you via design on how to connect the batteries. Now this is your main power point where you will get a power supply to your inverter. I hope it is simple to understand. We will look this later. So there are two wires, black wire and the red wire coming out of your inverter. Plus you have additional black wire which they have given. So the red wire will go to the positive terminal of your first battery. This is a positive terminal. The negative terminal you will connect with the positive terminal of the second battery. And the negative terminal you will connect back to the inverter. This is how you will connect your battery. And if you have noticed, there is a plug point behind your inverter. You will have to connect that to your output, which is to your main line. This is how you will connect the inverter. My only feedback to you is, if possible, please go for super sine wave inverter, which is SEZ1700 V3. But this is also good. My personal experience is great with Microtech. I don't prefer any other brand other than Microtech. Thank you for watching us. If you have any queries, please drop down a comment to us. I will be more than happy to help you. And please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.